How to transfer money from Neteller to Neteller. Neteller is a digital wallet that allows users to send, receive, and store money online for payments, transfers, and trading. It's owned by PaySafe Group and commonly used in Forex, gaming transactions where fast and secure payments are needed. First, go to Neteller website and log into your account with email and password. Then on homepage, click on Transfer option. In this page, you will see three options: Money Transfer, International Money Transfer, and Request Money. You just need to click on Money Transfer. Then, here you have to put your Neteller account email, where you want to transfer your money. Then click on Continue. Then select the currency and enter your amount you want to transfer. Then review everything and click on Confirm. Enter your secure ID and click on Confirm. And that's it. Thanks for watching.